Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. And I want to talk to you for a few minutes about work credits, the 2040 rule, and when or how do work credits expire. Now, this obviously all comes within the analysis of a Social Security disability claim. The Social Security Administration, which defines and deals with work credits, is under Title II, under disability insurance benefits, or you may have seen it as DIB. To be eligible, an applicant who is the wage earner needs to be insured, that's the status, which depends on the quarters of coverage that have been acquired as a result of gainful covered employment. A quarter of coverage is based on one of 4 calendar year quarters, every 3 months or so, ending March, end of June, end of September, and end of December. A wage earner must have sufficient quarters of coverage to be fully insured, therefore entitled to disability insurance benefits, SSDI. The maximum number of quarters needed is 40, but as few as 6 quarters can be required as well. In addition to being fully insured, the wage earner must also be currently insured. And what does that mean? Well, let's talk about the expiring credits. For a period of 40 quarters, let's remember four times in a year, 40 quarters, which is basically 10 years, but it has to have to be consecutive, immediately preceding the disability, the wage earner must have had at least 20 quarters of coverage in that 40 quarter period. I know it's a little confusing, but that's what's called the 2040 rule. In other words, the wage earner must have worked steadily and fairly recently until disability. Insured status will lapse if he or she stops working or becomes disabled or fails to earn quarters of coverage for 20 quarters, which is about 5 years. So if the wage earner did not work steadily during the 40 quarter periods, the insured status can lapse sooner than the 5 years. I know this is a little confusing, but we can certainly look at it, do an analysis with you. The wage earner must be fully insured at the time of becoming eligible in the first full month of becoming disabled. Lapse in insured status means the wage earner is not eligible for disability insurance benefits. The date that the insured status lapse becomes critical for establishing the disability began before that lapse date in order to be eligible for DIB, disability insurance benefits. The Social Security Field Office can help compute the wage earner's date of last insured, also known as DLI. I know this can be a little bit confusing, but it would make sense if we sit down and go over it with you. And please note that quarters of coverage are computed differently for younger people. I'm also going to put a link down here to the Social Security website that may also provide some better information or additional information. If you have any questions or concerns about this confusing topic, just give us a call at 205-930-6900. That's our office in Birmingham. Our website is nomberglaw.com. We also can be found on Twitter and Facebook. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll get the future videos when they come out, notifications when they come out. Give us a thumbs up and tell us what you think about this video, good or bad. Thank you.